Dear God.
Severe flash flooding has impacted Maryland, particularly Allegheny County, due to heavy rainfall on May 13, 2025. In Westernport, approximately 200 individuals, including 150 students and 50 staff members, were rescued from Westernport Elementary School, using boats as floodwaters reached the second floor. Nearby schools, such as Georges Creek Elementary and Westmore Middle School, also faced evacuations or shelter-in-place orders. The George Creek overflowed rapidly, cresting at 12.41 feet within an hour, marking the worst flooding since 1996. Emergency declarations have been issued, and residents are advised to stay vigilant and avoid travel. Roads and bridges were washed out or closed, especially near Westernport, Lonaconing, and other nearby towns. Cars were seen floating or stranded in floodwaters. Downed power lines and mudslides also contributed to dangerous conditions. More rain was expected in the region, prompting the National Weather Service to continue flash flood warnings. Residents were urged to avoid travel, stay indoors, and monitor emergency alerts.
Right here, park.
Dear God.
We need to go before we can't get out of here.
Look how deep the water is. It's all the way up to her waist. Oh my Lord. These are the cars in the Westernport Elementary School playground.
Right past the Dollar General here.
The cars are floating. Who is that flying?
We are trying to get out of here. Look, I'm pushing water with my vehicle, buddy.
Flood us out.
We're trying to get out of this town. It's
Dear God.
I don't think you can get over there now.
Just a call, we get these people down out of here, but what's the source of getting them to?
We need to go before we can't get out of here.
Look how deep the water is. It's all the way up to her waist. Oh my Lord. These are the cars in the Westernport Elementary School playground.
Right past the Dollar General
The
here.
cars are floating. Who is that flying?
Floating.
Yeah, it is floating.
Oh, yeah. And look at my arm.
Hold on a second.
What are you doing?
Taking a video.
Shit. Holy fucking shit. What the hell? I don't think you can get over there now.
It's undercut the railroad tracks.